Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the creation date of a TikTok account, whether it's your own or someone else's. There's no exact button that shows the date, but I'll walk you through a few easy ways to find out. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines at the top right and choose Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Here, TikTok keeps track of your watch history. Tap on Watch History, and what you're going to do is scroll all the way back to the very first video you ever watched. That gives you a strong clue about when you first created your account, since that's likely the day you signed up and started using TikTok. You can also tap Filter by Date to jump back faster, or just scroll continuously until you reach the very beginning. Keep in mind, if you've watched a lot of videos over time, this could take a bit of patience. Another option is to head back to your profile and look at the very first video you ever posted. Just scroll down to the bottom of your content, and the date on that first post will give you a good idea of when you created your account. Now, if you're trying to check when someone else created their account, go to their profile and scroll to the very first video they ever posted. Look at the date on that video. It's probably very close to when they first signed up for TikTok. While it won't give you the exact creation date, it's a helpful estimate. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really supports the channel. And if you still have questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.